microwave, and it's gonna be magical, right, Zack? So what we're gonna be putting is one chocolate chip in the microwave, and let's see what's gonna turn into. Are you ready, Zack?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so put a chocolate chip. Open the microwave for mommy. Open it. Let's put one chocolate chip in there. Here we go. Let's close it. And now let's... Oh, look how it is turning. So cool. Oh my God! Look! It turned into a Zacky! Wow! Take it out, Zack! Wow! A ducky chocolate! This is so cute! Zack, do you like it? Yeah? Wow, do you like it?
Yeah.
Hi, Joker! Hi, Joker! So adorable! Okay, what a magical microwave. Let us put another chocolate chip. Let's see this time what it's gonna turn into. Go, Zack, yeah. Anyone you like? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Wow! I think it's a cupcake, Zack! Yeah. Wow! Okay, move your head. Wow! Frankenstein cupcake! Wow, Zack! Are you happy?
Yep.
I love it! Okay, let's see what next.
Yeah.
So we have here ducky and cupcake. So we're gonna put another one in.
Close it.
Close it.
And
Go. Okay, Zack, go. Okay, let's see what it's gonna turn into this time. What do you think it's gonna turn into, Zack?
chocolate.
Chocolate again? Okay, let's see. Wow, Zack!
Yeah.
Look! Wow! It turned into gumballs! Pink gumballs, Zack! This is so awesome! Wow! Okay, let's put one more.
Yeah.
Let's put one more chocolate chip. Okay. Good job, Zack. Let's see what it's gonna turn into this time. Wow, Zack! Wow! That's amazing! This is a vampire lollipop! Hold it, Zack! Hey, it's me, Green Vampire! Wow, Zack, do you like it?
Yep.
Yay! Okay, let's put one more. One more chocolate chip. Okay, let's put a start, Zack, to it. Awesome job, Zack. Let's see, let's see. Wow, what is that? I wonder what is that, Zack? It turned into...
Pizza.
Pizza! Gummy pizza! Wow, this is so awesome. Look what we have here. So we have... What is this, Zack?
A gummy pizza.
Gummy pizza. We have...
Papaya.
Vampire lollipop. We have...
Gumbo.
Gumbo. We have cupcake, Frankenstein. And we have a chocolate ducky. Okay, Zack, so which one is your favorite?
This one.
The ducky chocolate? That's a good choice. Ducky chocolate is Zack's favorite. This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Zack, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say bye, guys. forget to comment down below which one is your favorite. Bye!